Okay, this is number 20 from MA from the Acadian number 5 test. And you can see here that the triangle PQR is shown and the length of QP they give you is 10 inches right there. And then it says the measure of angle QRP is 25. And you notice here it's a 90-degree angle, okay? You're gonna use what's called SOHCAHTOA. And then SOHCAHTOA, SOHCAHTOA. And this is basically an acronym to help you remember which one goes with what. And the first one is sine. And so S stands for sine. And what you're going to do is this sine is equal to, the O stands for opposite. So you're going to write opposite over, and the H stands for hypotenuse. And for this one, the hypotenuse is PR, if you notice that. Okay? And so the C stands for cosine. I'm going to just put the cos over here, even though I would normally write it below. Cosine is A stands for adjacent. So we're going to put equals adjacent over hypotenuse. I'm running out of space here, guys. I'm sorry. We're going to squeeze it in. Adjacent, and then H stands for hypotenuse still. And then the T stands for tangent. We're just going to put that in here. It's going to be a little bit unorganized, but so be it. At least we're squeezing in the space here. The O still stands for opposite, and the A stands for adjacent. This is so tricky to write with the pencil here on the screen, but it's okay. Okay, and so now we need to look, this is the angle that they give you, which is 25 degrees. And they give you this information. This side here is opposite the angle. So we're gonna pick opposite, and then over the hypotenuse, we need to find what is PR. So PR, we're gonna use opposite over hypotenuse, so it's gonna be sine. We're gonna use this one. And opposite the angle, so it's gonna be sine of 25 is equal to 10. Let me put sine of 25 equals 10, and then 10 over PR, because PR is the hypotenuse. And then when we want to, it's asking what's PR going to be equal to. We're going to put the sine 25. Sorry, it's a little bit messy, you guys. We're going to do cross multiplication. So PR sine 25 equals 10. So we're going to just put that PR in front when we cross multiply. And then when we isolate the PR, we're going to actually get 10 over sine of 25 when we manipulate it and isolate the, and I hope that makes sense. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. So then our answer, ooh, we're bleeding into the other question. Forgive that. It's going to be 10 over sine 25. So our answer is going to be A.